Hello everyone, and welcome to Machine's Visit. Have you ever realized that the world produces more than 143 million pounds of chamomile every single year? At first glance, chamomile may seem like just a simple flower, soft white petals, a bright yellow center, and a calm, gentle fragrance. But behind that peaceful appearance lies something far more valuable. Chamomile is one of the key ingredients used to create soothing herbal teas and premium essential oils known for relaxing the mind and helping people sleep better. Today, we're going to uncover the fascinating journey of chamomile, from endless blooming fields where every flower is carefully harvested using advanced machinery, to modern high-tech factories where those delicate blossoms are transformed into products people rely on every day. So take a moment, relax, and step with us into the calm and fascinating world of chamomile. Chamomile is famous for its fragile white petals surrounding a golden center, releasing a soft aroma that instantly brings a feeling of peace and relaxation. Despite its delicate appearance, this flower grows surprisingly fast, usually taking around 8 to 12 weeks before it is ready to be harvested. When summer arrives, vast fields of chamomile stretch across the landscape, like a white and yellow ocean. This is where modern agricultural technology begins to play a crucial role. Farmers now rely on powerful harvesting machines designed to collect these tiny flowers with remarkable speed and precision. These machines glide across the fields while carefully preserving the fragile blooms. At the front of the machine are specially engineered ultra-sharp cutting blades. As the machine moves forward, the blades slice the flowers cleanly at their base. The design ensures that each chamomile bloom is cut neatly without harming nearby plants or damaging the leaves. Immediately after being cut, the flowers are gently lifted onto a built-in conveyor belt inside the machine. The conveyor smoothly carries the blossoms toward large collection bins located at the back. There, the freshly harvested flowers are safely gathered and prepared for transportation to processing facilities. Using modern machinery for chamomile harvesting has completely transformed the way farmers work. One of the biggest advantages is a significant reduction in manual labor. As agricultural workers become harder to find, machines allow farmers to harvest large areas quickly without relying on dozens of workers picking flowers by hand. In just a short amount of time, these machines can cover massive fields, saving both time and effort. At the same time, the use of technology increases productivity and helps reduce production costs. This gives farmers, especially those in the United States, a stronger position in the global agricultural market. Even more importantly, faster harvesting also helps reduce waste and supports environmentally responsible farming practices. The blend of traditional farming knowledge and advanced technology has turned chamomile harvesting into a highly efficient operation. Once harvested, the flowers are loaded onto trucks and transported from the fields directly to nearby factories. There, the next stage of the process begins almost immediately. The flowers are placed inside specialized drying chambers, designed to preserve their freshness and delicate aroma. Workers carefully spread the flowers across drying trays using special tools, so that each bloom receives equal exposure to heat. Inside these chambers, both temperature and humidity are tightly controlled. The environment is usually maintained between 35 and 45 degrees Celsius, allowing the flowers to dry slowly while still retaining their natural fragrance and color. This drying stage typically lasts between 6 and 12 hours, preparing the chamomile for further processing. Once drying is complete, the flowers are transferred into a sophisticated separation system. This system separates the delicate blossoms from the stems and leaves using a combination of controlled air currents and precision blades. The process is gentle yet extremely accurate, ensuring the flowers remain intact and undamaged. Smaller pieces such as stems and leaves are redirected to another compartment, where they can either be processed further or reused as organic fertilizer. After separation, the chamomile flowers move along an automated conveyor belt where skilled workers perform manual inspection. Each worker carefully examines the flowers by hand, removing any crushed or damaged pieces. This stage requires intense focus and attention to detail, because only the highest quality flowers are allowed to continue to the next stage of production. Following inspection, the flowers enter vibrating processing machines designed to grind them into fine chamomile powder. These machines operate with a motion similar to the gentle sifting used when milling flour. The vibrations slowly break down the dried flowers into a smooth, consistent powder while filtering out larger particles. The final powder is then collected and prepared for packaging or further processing into a variety of chamomile-based products. For consumer convenience, the processed chamomile is packed into different types of packaging, ready to be sold around the world. But chamomile isn't used only for tea. Another valuable product extracted from this flower is chamomile essential oil, which is produced using steam distillation. In this method, fresh or dried flowers are placed inside a distillation chamber where hot steam passes through them, releasing their natural oils. The steam carrying the oil is then cooled and condensed, allowing the oil to separate from the water. After filtration to ensure purity, the oil becomes ready for use. Chamomile oil is widely used in hair care products such as shampoos because of its ability to soothe the scalp, reduce dandruff, and nourish the hair, leaving it soft and healthy. These shampoos are filled and sealed into bottles on automated conveyor lines to ensure fast and precise packaging while maintaining consistent quality. But chamomile isn't the only plant that offers relaxation and beauty. Another famous aromatic plant plays a major role in the world of natural products, lavender. Let's continue our journey and explore how farmers grow, harvest, and transform lavender into fragrant products people love. The creation of breathtaking lavender fields begins with a careful process known as propagation. Farmers may plant lavender using seeds, or they may take strong cuttings from mature plants and place them into soft, nutrient-rich soil. These young plants are first nurtured inside greenhouses, where controlled conditions provide the perfect environment for healthy growth. Over time, tiny green sprouts slowly develop, each one carrying the promise of the beautiful purple fields that will eventually appear. The patience and dedication of farmers are what allow lavender to flourish and create the dreamlike landscapes that attract visitors from around the world. Before the seedlings are planted in open fields, farmers prepare the soil carefully. The land is first plowed to break apart compacted layers and remove weeds. Then the ground is leveled to create a smooth and even surface, perfectly ready for planting. Once the soil is prepared, semi-automated planting machines begin their work. These machines are designed with seats at the back where farmers sit while holding trays of lavender seedlings. As the machine moves forward, the farmers gently place each seedling into the freshly tilled soil at precise intervals. Behind the machine, other workers follow along, carefully covering the roots with soil to secure the plants and provide a stable base for growth. Lavender usually reaches its peak bloom during the summer months, typically between June and August, depending on the variety and local climate. During this time, the flowers release their strongest fragrance and contain the highest concentration of essential oils. Farmers must carefully choose the perfect moment to harvest. Usually, harvesting takes place early in the morning or later in the afternoon when temperatures are cooler, preventing the precious oils from evaporating. Each plant is inspected carefully. The ideal time to harvest is when about 50 to 70% of the flowers on each stem are fully open. Harvesting lavender is not just farming. It is an art. It represents a delicate balance between human effort and nature's rhythm. Precision and timing are essential to ensure that the flowers maintain their fragrance, color, and quality. Before machines were introduced, lavender harvesting was done entirely by hand. Farmers used small sickles to cut bundles of flowers carefully, gathering them together and tying them into bunches for drying or distillation. Even today, this traditional method is still practiced in certain regions to preserve the natural beauty and authenticity of the harvest. However, as agriculture evolved and technology advanced, lavender fields slowly began to witness the arrival of powerful machines that would completely change the harvesting process. Modern harvesting machines have become absolutely essential for large-scale farms where lavender stretches across massive landscapes, sometimes covering dozens of hectares. At first glance, they may look like ordinary farm equipment, but these machines play a critical role in protecting the delicate flowers during harvest. They dramatically reduce the time and labor needed, while still handling the fragile blooms with remarkable care. By maintaining gentle yet precise control throughout the harvesting process, they help ensure that the lavender's fragrance and quality remain intact from the field all the way to the next stage of production. across vast lavender farms where endless rows of purple seem to disappear into the horizon. Automated harvesting machines have become the farmer's most trusted tool. These powerful machines are designed similarly to grain harvesters, but they are equipped with advanced sensors capable of detecting the exact height of the flowering stems. This technology allows the machine to cut only the blooming parts of the plant, while leaving the lower stems and leaves untouched. As a result, the plants remain healthy and can continue growing for future harvests. Once the flowers are cut, they move on to a large conveyor belt that carries them through an initial sorting system before dropping them into a massive storage container position at the rear of the machine. These containers can hold hundreds of kilograms of lavender, allowing farmers to harvest continuously without constantly stopping to unload. For lavender fields dedicated specifically to essential oil production, even more advanced harvesting machines are used. These specialized machines don't just cut the flowers. They can actually process them right there in the field. As the machine moves forward, it cuts the flowering tops and immediately grinds them into smaller pieces. The processed lavender is then transferred directly into large containers that are ready to be transported straight to distillation facilities. Because this system eliminates extra handling steps, it helps preserve the highest possible concentration of essential oils. Engineers designed these machines with gentle processing in mind, ensuring the structure of the flowers remains protected so the oil extracted later maintains superior quality. Beyond speed and convenience, modern harvesting machines significantly reduce crop loss during harvest. With the help of advanced technology, farmers can gather lavender quickly and efficiently while capturing nearly every usable flower. This greatly increases the overall value of their fields. At the same time, technology also helps protect the environment in lavender-growing regions. Because these machines operate with precision, they disturb the soil far less than older harvesting methods. This reduces erosion and keeps the land healthy, allowing it to remain productive for many seasons to come. After harvesting, the lavender is carefully transported to nearby processing facilities where the next stage begins, essential oil extraction. This stage transforms the fragrant flowers into one of the most valuable natural oils used in cosmetics, aromatherapy, and wellness products. The extraction process begins with a method known as steam distillation. Fresh or dried lavender flowers are placed inside a sealed distillation chamber. Steam is then passed through the plant material, gently releasing the aromatic compounds stored within the flowers. The steam carrying these oils moves through pipes into a condenser where it begins to cool. As the temperature drops, the vapor condenses into liquid, allowing the essential oil to separate naturally from the steam. Once condensation occurs, the pure lavender oil rises to the top and is carefully collected in a container. The remaining water, often called floral water or hydrosol, contains lighter aromatic compounds and is separated from the oil. Both substances can be used in various cosmetic and wellness products. After the lavender oil has been extracted and carefully filtered to remove impurities, it is transferred to an automated bottling system. Clean glass bottles move along conveyor belt and enter the filling station, where precision machines dispense the exact amount of oil into each bottle. This automated system ensures both accuracy and consistency in every product. Once filled, each bottle undergoes a careful inspection process to confirm that there are no cracks, leaks, or impurities. After passing inspection, the bottles move to the next stage where caps are automatically secured using high-speed sealing machines. Finally, each bottle receives a label containing the product's details and branding, preparing it for shipment to stores and customers around the world. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey. From delicate flowers growing in peaceful fields to premium herbal teas and essential oils used by millions of people every day. Thank you for joining us as we explored the incredible process behind these fragrant plants. If you enjoyed this story or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of agriculture. Until next time, goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.